Hello and welcome to the What Leigh Make YouTube channel. Today's video is an unboxing from Beehive yarns. Today's date is the 7th of February 2025. Open it up. The packaging is really cute. I'm going to use this, I think, in my waist weaving. I don't want to just tear it because I want to reuse it. So it comes wrapped in tissue paper. Beth is doing I think it's Seasons Yarn Club, a sock set or two different colours every month. This is the January one. Wanted to open it now because I don't know everyone that I want to order the February 2 100-gram skeins as well. In fact, it's the first season order. How long you think season still? Oh, that's pretty. So we have some goodies. So I have ordered this on the Barbarella Silver Sparkle base. I have a little thank you note. This is the January Club inspiration pictures. It was sort of pinks and greys is what it looked like. And then the current one is February. They are pinks, and then Marches will be sort of purples by the looks of it, or purpley pinks. So the sock set looks like this. The label is really pretty band. Yeah, it looks like that. It's really beautiful, quite neutral colours. And then I also ordered the 2 100-gram skeins to do a shawl. The picture definitely made it look more sort of pinks and greys. I don't dislike what come, but it isn't what I had envisioned. So they will be used for something. Obviously, this one will be a pair of socks. This will be something, although I don't yet know what that will be. I think I like to use them together, so it might still be a shawl, some sort. I'm not sure. I will continue. I think I'll continue buying the sock set club though, because they are pretty. We'll see. Please check out the podcast to see what they grow up to become eventually. Beehive Yarns does beautiful yarn. As you can see, her sort of tonals, her fades are beautiful as well. But the dyeing is gorgeous. I'm hoping to get a couple of shawl kits from her soon too. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.